Welcome to the Sage Scholar. Here we are making a complex science easy to understand. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of how our brain learns and retains information. Get ready for a fun and straightforward journey into the science behind it all. Let's jump right in. The brain's learning powerhouse. Did you know that our brains are like supercomputers? They have this amazing ability to learn and remember things. But how does it all happen? Inside our brains, there are billions of tiny cells called neurons. They work together, firing up and creating connections, just like an intricate web. When we learn something new, these neurons send electrical signals to each other, forming pathways that help us store information. Creating memories. Memories are like little snapshots of our lives. But how do they form? When we experience something new, like learning a new dance move or a new word, our brain captures that moment. It's like taking a mental snapshot. These snapshots are then connected and stored in our brain, forming memories. The more we practice or repeat something, the stronger those connections become. Okay, now let's talk about some cool tricks to help our brains learn and remember things more. Another helpful hack is breaking down complex ideas into smaller, bite-sized pieces. It's like putting together a puzzle. Once we understand the smaller parts, it's easier to grasp the bigger picture. Healthy brain, happy learning. Taking care of our brains is just as important as feeding them with knowledge. Let's look at some simple habits that keep our brains happy and ready to learn. Getting enough sleep, eating nutritious foods, and staying active are like fuel for our brains. They give us the energy and focus we need to learn and remember things. Oh, and one more thing. Keeping your brains curious and exploring new things is super important. It keeps our brains sharp and always ready for new adventures. And there you have it, the science behind how our brain learns and retains things.